back inside Weber Pulling Team. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. Instead of working on diesel trucks, we're going to be taking a ride on my other passion, John Deere tractors. We're going to be taking a ride on my 1951 John Deere Model A, 2-cylinder tractor. So on this one, hopefully it starts. It hadn't started in a couple days, so if not, we may have to go to a different tractor, but we're going to try this one for today. And we're just going to get you guys some sights and some sounds, maybe something just kind of relaxing for today. So stay tuned. Let's go for a ride. It's been a couple weeks, and the battery isn't particularly healthy. Neither is the starter. And it's pretty cold. So here goes. Let's go, come on. I think he's anxious. my 1951 Model A. We've had this tractor since 2012. Actually bought it at an auction, believe it or not. And my dad and I restored it in the spring of 2014. And since then, it's just been really a lot of fun. I haven't had to do a whole lot to it mechanically. It was pretty good when I got it. I made a few fine tuning adjustments here and there. It's always been a really sweet running tractor, as you see. And yeah, it's just well worth the investment, for sure. Hope you guys enjoyed. In the next couple of weeks, I got a couple more tractors to do. We have a Model B and a John Deere 4020. I'll give you a sneak peek at it as well. We'll get it out, kind of do the same type of thing with it. Hopefully, depending on where you're at in the country and what you're doing, maybe this gave you just a little bit of relaxation to listen to those two cylinders today. So I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey, you got anything to say other than you love riding John Deere tractors? Yeah, good boy. 9-year-old Labrador. He's always rode tractors all of his life. Say, catch you in the next one, Tucker, right? For more tractor fun? Yeah. Oh my, what? You're crazy. 1967 John Deere 4020 and 1951 John Deere B. Stay tuned for some videos on those as well. Hope you all enjoyed.